This is a 1935 vintage Smith Corona silent typewriter. Serial number 1S38265. It comes with the case, which is in good condition. The handle does have a crack in it, but still usable. Everything works on it, and I will show you a typing demonstration. I also have a reprinted user's manual, which is quite helpful if you're not real familiar with these. It shows the various parts and how to use them. Okay, I'm going to load some paper in and show you how it types. That's the 1935 Smith Corona silent model typewriter.